Hi guys, welcome back. Yeah, welcome back to my TV, Alpha Mega TV. It's your baby girl Tessy. Sure, you guys remember? Okay, Eedris Abdul Kareem. Now that is Eedris that sang Nigeria Jaga Jaga, the activist musician we know, like the Nigeria Jaga Jaga we know. So do you know this guy doesn't believe that they actually arrested Abba Kyari? Because according to the NDLEA and the police force, they told us that they arrested Abba Kyari. Now this man have come up with a new dimension, telling us, I don't listen in own dimension on a truthful notice. He said that he doesn't believe it until they show us pictures of Abba Kyari in handcuffs. Yeah, yes, I support that. Make una show us picture of Abba Kyari in handcuffs. If you guys truly arrested him, other people on the arrest, so they stay there with handcuffs. So where's Abba Kyari's picture in handcuffs? We need to see it. Please prove to us. Say una never collect that bribe when they bribe give una. So una give us picture. Tell us say true last say una don't give am handcuffs for hand. Now that time you go not believe say una arrest am, una no collect any bribe. Minus that, according to Eedris, according to him, we don't believe you guys. Yes, you people should give us a picture, show us proof that you have actually and really arrested Abba Kyari. We need picture. Yes, una proof give us say una don arrest am, even if na for when he dey for cell. Una give us picture say true una don arrest Abba Kyari. Either you give us picture of him in the cell or you give us picture of him in handcuffs. That's the only way we'll be able to believe you guys have definitely and truly really arrested him. Thank you guys for watching my video today. I love you so much. It's still baby girl Tessy from Alpha Mega TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share my video. I'll see you next time. Love you. Mwah.